Apart from the digestive juices your gut produces, there are bacteria present in your gut that play a huge role in breaking down food into compounds that your body can absorb and use. Regular gut problems like constipation, diarrhea, and food allergies could be the result of an imbalance of bacteria in the gut environment. Kefir. Fermentation of the lactose yields a sour, carbonated, slightly alcoholic beverage, with a consistency and taste similar to thin yogurt. Kefir is also rich in many essential nutrients like vitamin B12, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K2, biotin, folate, enzymes, and probiotics. The bacteria found in kefir can stimulate your immune system, inhibit and suppress tumor growth, and have an antimicrobial effect on the bad microbes in your gut. Kombucha. Kombucha is a variety of fermented black tea made with sugar from various sources like cane sugar, fruit, or honey and fermented using a colony of bacteria and yeast. The fermented drink contains vinegar, B vitamins, enzymes, probiotics, and a high concentration of acid. Kombucha tea has potent antioxidant and immunomodulating properties which make your immune system more effective in fighting away infections. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is one of the oldest traditional fermented foods. Made from fermented cabbage, it's high in dietary fiber. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and B vitamins. Naturally made, unprocessed sauerkraut contains probiotic microorganisms called lactic acid bacteria, LAB. LAB has also been shown to enhance immune system function to help prevent various illnesses and promote lactose digestion. Tempeh. Tempeh is a soy-based fermented food that has its origins in Java, Indonesia. Soy is not easily digested in your gut, but the fermentation process breaks it down, reducing the chances of indigestion or bloating. Kimchi. Though it is of Korean origin, kimchi has become a well-known food in the Western world today. This salty food is made by fermenting vegetables. Most commonly Napa cabbage and Korean radishes, with a variety of seasonings including chili powder, scallions, garlic, ginger, and chutkal, salted seafood. LAB helps reduce the harmful bacteria in your gut and other pathogens that cause disease. Research has also found that kimchi has anti-cancer, anti-obesity, anti-constipation, and cholesterol reduction properties. If you're new to fermented foods, it's recommended that you start slow. Have half a cup of fermented vegetables or 2 ounces of a probiotic drink. You might experience some discomfort for the first few days as bad bacteria like Candida, pathogenic bacteria, and parasites die off. The symptoms may include digestive pain like gas and bloating, headaches, flu-like symptoms, and skin eruptions. Talk to your doctor immediately if you have any severe reactions.